So this is my new daily slash adventure rig. Plan on lifting it and putting off-road tires on it. And on this video, these things don't look as good without wings. So we're installing a wing I bought off eBay. So foam pads, wiring for the LED light. It came painted, color matched. Seems really nice. And then it has these templates that you line up the hole. We're gonna see how this all works. So you peel a little square off and line it up with the hole as best you can, like that. All my sticky things lined up. I'm just gonna line the hole up center, and then I'm gonna drill like whatever over. I'm just gonna drill whatever over, like a 1/2 inch, and that's gonna land me anywhere in this hole, which all I need is the wire to come through. So that's why there's 3 of them over here. So we're gonna try to position it the best we can here, take measurements, double check it like 100 times, and then we'll get it. The tool to pry these guys off. The new wing sits up right up on this light, so we're deleting that. So instead of trying to pop that out, I just cut the wire. And then here's the wire that I'll be tapping into for my new 3rd brake light, which is just much easier. I had to take this trim off to get access to here. Here's the rear wiper squirter and the rear brake light wiring. Thing is being held up by tape only. We got tape wrapped around, pulling it forward. We got this tape pulling it down this way. We got tape pulling it down on the same side, or on the other side. So now we're going to tape these on the back and on the front so these don't move, so we can have a template of where those holes are at. Well, that's the plan, at least. So we got our little templates taped down, and now it's time to pull the wing off. Bullseye on that one. Fucking holes in my car now. Woo. Dead battery. Do some metal shavings, they pop off. Look at all those paint scratchers. Hole on each side. The threads are just caked with paint. So before like stressing with it on the car, chasing the threads real quick, and it was a bitch to even start the chase. Easy to get to on both sides. Yep, but the next one is not. It would pretty much line up at the weather seal, which we don't want any of that. So we're going underneath. And right there you can see it. So you have to drill a giant ass hole here, and I'm gonna seal it with a grommet, hopefully today. And here's my trick to make this not as fucking hard as it's going to be. So see how the nut is just floating there, or the bolt? It's just ready for the wing. It's because there's an O-ring holding it up. So that O-ring will help us install this wing without struggling too hard. Some vacuum line, cut it open so I can run this through the hole without having any issues. So I got my silicone to make it waterproof. I sprayed spray paint on the ground and got a brush and brushed my holes. It's not perfect, but this is a eBay lip anyways, or wing. There you have it. eBay wing installed with third brake light. So this wing was 150 bucks and it came paint matched to my color. And it's black, so you can't really, it's not like silver or white where the color could be off, but black, pretty dead nuts, good. But now GX looks complete, as in how I like them. They look naked without the wing. I'd say definitely buy this one if you're good with your hands and working with cars, because every single one we had to use a snap-on 10 mil universal joint. We put tape on it so it's really loose. You put tape on it, it doesn't bounce around like this. But it was really fucking hard to get these bolts to line up. We're testing the LED brake light. I'd say it's pretty damn bright. Sick.